Yes, this is our Arduino board. Today what we are going to do, we are going to dump one sample code in this hardware and we are going to check the output. So what are all the things we required as a hardware setup means, one is the Arduino Uno development board, the second one is the USB cable. So how to power this board into our laptop means, first I need to connect this type of pin D connector. I need to connect it to the Arduino board. Then other end of the USB cable, we need to connect it to the laptop or the personal computer. Yes. So once successfully we connected the USB cable, you can see the LED power on LED indication in the development board. Okay. Yes. Now there is one default program already there in the controller. Now we are going to upload the new code and then we are going to check the output. So IDE, using this IDE, we have written the same coding over here. We have written the same coding, the void setup, then void loop. So after completion of this, what we need to do, go to tools, the first option, select board. So here we are using Arduino Uno board. So there are plenty of variants available in this IDE. So properly you choose the Uno board. So I am going to select Arduino AVR board. Under that you have a plenty of categories. So in that we are going to select Arduino Uno. So by default it will be in Arduino Uno only. If it not, please change it. The second option, go to tools and select your COM port in which we have connected this board. Okay, so here in my laptop it is connected in COM6. Okay, so I have chosen COM6. After successful selection of these two menu, we can go to the first one is to compile. This shortcut icon is to compile. This shortcut icon is to compile your code. Now I am going to click the button compile and simultaneously you watch the status bar. So here the status bar shows compiling sketch, now done compiling. So if there is no error, you will get the indication as a done compiling. Then the second task, we need to upload this code into our target board. So this is our target board. So now what we are going to do, we are going to click the second icon, that is your upload icon. If you click this icon, please find the status in the status bar. Now it shows again, once again it compiles. Now it is uploading. See, now it is done uploading. So whenever you are uploading the code, you can observe the changes in the software as well as in your hardware. Okay, now you notice in the hardware, here there are 4 LEDs available. Here you need to notice only two things. One is this RX and TX LED, that is transmitter and receive LED. Now I am going to upload it once again. Please observe the changes happening in the RX and TX LED. While you upload, can you see the change in that RX and TX LED? Yes, it's uploaded. Now you can observe the 13th LED onboard LED is blinking. Is it okay? What we can do here, we can change the delay and observe the changes in the hardware also. Okay. Now I am going to change the delay, on delay as 3 seconds and off delay as 3. Now you observe the changes happened in our hardware. Please observe, now it is getting uploading. Yes, successfully uploaded. Now change the duration of the LED, please. Now you check the duration of this LED. Turn on time increased. Simultaneously the turn off time is also increased. Okay, so this is the very first portion what we supposed to give the demonstration to you. Continuation of this, what we can do means here we have one development board. You people already use this development board in your microprocessor and microcontroller experiments. So here you have number of input and output peripherals. So mainly you have LED and tricolor LED, then LCD, then switch, then your relay. At last you have what? Your 7-segment LED. So today what we are going to do, the continuation of our experiment is, we are going to make this one of the external LED to on and off. Shall we check that one? What is the connection? So whenever I am giving any external hardware connection, the first precaution is we need to disconnect the power to our controller. So I have disconnected. So there is no power. Okay. Now our Arduino is not powered. So what we are going to do? So in this development board, this is the ground. This is the ground terminal. Can you see the ground terminal? So this is the gang of connectors. From that we are going to take one wire. This is the ground wire. So I am going to connect the ground in our Arduino power pin. So power pin, you are very much clear about the power pins. So these are all the power pins. Power pin 5 volt, reset, 3.35, ground, and V in that we are going to connect it to any one of the ground pin. Okay, so let me connect it in the ground pin. Okay, is it okay? Then we need to make the LED to blink. So we have written the coding to make the LED to blink for on for 3 seconds and off for 3 seconds. The same thing we will execute in the external hardware. So we will connect one wire in the LED terminal. Okay, the other end we are going to connect it in the 13th pin in our digital input output pins. 13th pin. Yes, can you see now? The connections are very simple. LED is connected in pin number 13. Then the ground wire is connected. With the ground. That's all. Now the hardware setup connection is over. Now we will power the board, and we will observe the output in our IO board. Wait a minute. Yes, let me connect it in here. Yes, please observe. Yes, successfully my external LED is blinking with the rate of 3 seconds on and 3 seconds off. That's all from today's class. We will see further experiments in the upcoming labs. Thank you.